Get excited about the 2012 Ford Fiesta. This four-door, five-passenger hatchback offers the latest in technological innovation and style. It features a standard transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. Ford prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by front and rear reading lights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, remote keyless entry, and much more. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.